Hi, this is Danny Botkin at Laughing Dog Farm. Today we're going to talk about planting the spring garden and some of the tips and tricks that you can use to get off to an especially early start. Now there's a few things you can think about, and we're going to be showing you a couple of ways to start with a more robust spring transplant. If you start with seeds in the ground in April, well then you get off to a slower start. But if you can find a way to get propagated root cuttings or stem cuttings into the ground, be it with garlic or vegetables or fruit crops, you're going to get off to a much quicker start. Today we're going to show you some of the tips that you might like to know about in terms of getting that extra early spring start. We're going to cover garlic, we're going to cover rhubarb, we're going to cover lettuce plugs, and we're going to show you how to plant peas, not only from seed, but also from transplant, something not too many people attempt.